How to turn off shorts on YouTube. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can turn off shorts on YouTube app. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open up YouTube on your device. Now go to the U icon at the bottom right corner. Once you are here, tap on the settings icon at the top right. Then tap on the general option. Now scroll down and then tap on playback in feeds. From this menu, select off. Now as you can see here, there's no option for you to turn off shorts on YouTube. What you can do is go back to the shorts section. Now tap on the three dots in the upper right corner of your shorts video. When you click, a menu will appear. From that menu, tap on Not Interested option. And you will have to do this step again for each videos in this section. Now refresh the YouTube. And with that, the YouTube shorts should be removed and no longer show up. So this is how you can disable or turn off YouTube shorts. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.